Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my January favourite products and like least favourite products, so hits and misses if you like. So I'm just going to get straight into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is like bathroom products, so things you use in the shower, in the bathroom, that kind of thing. So first product, hairstyly things, of course. I am a hairdresser, I like hair products. This is the Colab Dry Shampoo Tropical Fragrance. Wow, this stuff is so good. I prefer it to Batiste, and I never thought I'd say that. It has an amazing oil absorption without shine. This is such a great dry shampoo, and it really does not have that white cast on your hair. Obviously I'm brunette, I do not want to look like I have grey hair coming through. It smells so good. Kind of like tropically perfume. It's not sort of coconutty, it's just kind of a fresh floral fragrance. I'm not really into floral fragrances, but this is really good. I really enjoyed this product throughout January. The next product I've been absolutely loving is also a hair care product. This is the Maui Moisturizer Shea Butter Conditioner Revive and Hydrate. So I have hair extensions in, and I don't really like condition them as such. I sort of try and just condition my own hair, try and avoid this area. This has been absolutely awesome. I bought it because it was on offer in Boots, and I was so impressed with it. It says it's made with 100% aloe juice. That's its first ingredient. It says it's for dry and damaged hair, creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, pure macadamia oil. Oh my god, it smells so good. Again, it's like that fruity, fresh, coconutty, vanilla-y. It's really good, and I love the packaging as well. In fact, I got this confused. I nearly put this in the fridge because I thought it was a bottle of juice. It leaves your hair really soft, really silky. Like, I have really dry, damaged, fine hair, and as you can see, it still has that shine on it. Really recommend this one. The next bathroom product that I have is from Lush. This is the Whoosh Shower Jelly. Now, I actually bought this for Dan, but he doesn't really use it, so I thought I'd give it a go. This smells so good. It's like lemons. Oh my god, and it's so much fun. I don't actually use this to wash with. I use it for like as my shower gel, as crazy as that sounds. Oh, it smells so good. But it's just really fun, like, to use in the bath. You know, like rub it all over your legs and under your armpits. Like, some of it does break off, like when you use it, as you can see. Like, it doesn't look like a perfect like sphere like it was before, but they kind of mold it in the shape of the jar, so when it wobbles out, it's like the shape of the jar. It's really cool. But yeah, it's really moisturizing. It's great when you're shaving. Like, I haven't had any rashes or any reaction, and of course it smells like lemon gummy bears almost. Oh, so good. Next bathroom product is this Vaseline Active Fresh 48-Hour Protection Pro Derma 0% alcohol antiperspirant. It is really good. Like, I'm not a particularly sweaty person, but if I do feel like I'm gonna have a really long day and it's a hot salon that I'm working, this stuff is absolutely great. It doesn't transfer onto your clothing either. Like, you don't get those weird marks under your arms, like that staining, that thick sticky stuff. Like, I've had deodorants that do that, they're a nightmare. But this just smells really fresh, and it smells like Vaseline stuff. Like, I don't know, it's really good anyway, and it's not flowery at all. Like, I can't stand like rose scented or things like that. I like stuff to smell really fresh, and this is absolutely excellent. And my last bathroom item is this Colgate Max White toothpaste. Now, I am a smoker, I know it's bad, but I use a special whitening toothpaste just because I need that little bit of extra help to make sure my teeth are looking white. And this has been really good. I have actually noticed a difference. Like, when I've gone back and edited my videos, I've been like, wow, my teeth look really white. And it's because I've been using this. I've been using this for, I don't know, sort of back in December I started using it, and I think they're looking really good. I wouldn't say I have particularly yellow stained teeth, but like, they are yellow. I mean, I'm human, I'm 31 years old, you know? But I have noticed that this is really good, actually. It has made a difference to the whiteness in my teeth. And also, it tastes really good. It's not like aniseedy, it hasn't got bits of grit in it. I think it has got bits of grit in it, but it's not like noticeable. and it's a gel formula. It's really, really nice. I've really enjoyed using this, and I use it twice a day, and it does the job great. All right, we have another item here that is not strictly beauty, but it's the Avon Planet Spa Sleep Serenity, which is like a pillow spray. It's chamomile and lavender pillow mist. Oh my god, this stuff. Oh, it's so relaxing. Like, it has that proper calming effect. So whenever I get into bed at night, I just spritz it over the pillow and like the top of the duvet, and just surround myself with this lovely calming scent. Like, I'd say it's more chamomile than lavender, but I'm not sure I'm mad about that. Like I said, I'm not that keen on flowery scents, but it's a really nice little treat, and it was only £4 off Amazon. So I have this really stupid bit of fringe that will just not stay where I want it to today. Alright, so we're on to makeup now, and the first item I want to rave about is this foundation. Oh my god, it's this Rimmel Lasting Finish 25 Hour with Comfort Serum Skin Perfecting Full Coverage Foundation. This stuff, oh my god, it is so good. It totally, like, blasted my expectations out of the water. It's a lovely, I've got it on today actually, lovely dewy finish. And it just blends in perfectly. It's really cool toned. I am in the shade 100, I believe. Yeah, 100 Ivory. And it's lovely. I absolutely love it. I don't feel too orange in it. It doesn't feel thick. It doesn't feel cakey. It blends in seconds. I honestly cannot rave about this stuff enough. I think it was about £8.50 from Boots. I just adore it. But the only one thing I would say about it is it does smell a little bit like flowery. I'll keep saying that word, how annoying. I don't know, like when I first used it I was like, whoa, that is a really strong scent, and it does have a really strong scent, but as soon as you've got it on your face it just seems to evaporate, and it's all lovely. I do set this foundation with powder, I'm sure you're aware, but I really, really like it. It's not cakey and thick at all. It's complete opposite to another foundation I'm going to talk about later in this video. Okay, on to eyes. This is something that I've just recently tried out in a video and compared it to. This is the Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadow liquid. It's so good. Like, I just love how simple it is. Like, it just pops out like that and swipe it on, and you have this beautiful shiny wet glitter effect. I absolutely love this stuff. It's just so easy to use. Like, I'll link the video down below. I do a comparison where I use loose glitter against this stuff. It's great. I love it. It's expensive, but I can't wait to get more shades of it because it just is so easy to turn your makeup into something so glam like that. Okay, highlighter. Jesus Christ. I found my holy grail highlighter. Oh, I've tried so many over the years, and this by Ofra just delivers. I know, it's not in the proper packaging. I didn't realise I'd ordered like a refill pan. I didn't realise I'd not actually ordered the proper compact. But this is the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter, and holy, it's awesome. Like, it's just the perfect shade for my skin. Ooh, it just blends so nice as well, and it's so buildable. Like, that's something I really like within a highlighter. Like, if I just want a really subtle little sleep, a little something, you can do that. If you want to layer it up and shine like a tin man, you can do that too. Absolutely adore this stuff. Cannot recommend it enough. Yes, again, it is expensive, but if you want to glow and sparkle and blind all those bitches, this is what you need. Rodeo Drive by Ofra. Okie doke, on to lip products. This is by NYX. Now, this is called #ThisIsEverything. This is the lip oil. Now, it just looks like a really pinky sort of lip gloss, but it's really not. It is sort of a clear. Oh no, it isn't clear. It's kind of got a pinky hue to it. But this is just a lip oil. Now, I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I have definitely noticed a difference in my lips. They just seem to be smoother, more plump. I mean, I know I've had them done recently, but they don't have like those little cracks in them. They're great to, it's great to put on just before you put your liquid lipstick on. Like, it kind of feels sort of oily and slippy on your lips, but it doesn't feel sticky, which I love. Like, it's great. I really enjoy this. I put some on just before I go to sleep, and I put some on in the morning while I'm getting ready to do my makeup. Stop saying I love this stuff. It must be so annoying. But I do. This is why I'm doing this video, because I love these things. Okay, another lip product. And I've only had this for about a week. But this is the Balm, B-A-L-M, the Balm Meet Matte Hues Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Committed. This is the shade I have on today. It's really different. Like, I was really worried when I first put it on because it kind of almost felt moussey. And from my experience with like moussey liquid lipsticks, they don't last very long. They transfer really easily. But this is lovely. It's so soft. Like, it's kind of matte, but it doesn't look like a butthole. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't have those lines. It doesn't fade. I did worry as well. It was a little streaky when I first put it on, but actually it kind of like melts into your lips. Like, it doesn't transfer at all. This is in the shade Committed. And it looks a lot paler on camera than it does in real life, but it's very close to my natural lip colour. And I'm really enjoying this. It has a bit of a funny smell, which I'm not sure I like. It's kind of, yeah, pepperminty, minty, but it doesn't tingle. It's not like a plumper or anything. But yeah, I've really been enjoying this, and I've had quite a lot of compliments as well, so that always sells it to me. Another face product here. Now, I only got this last week. I think it was last Friday. So I've had it for a week, but I'm not kidding you. I've used this every single day since I got it. This is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Well, if you don't like shining and having that lovely sparkly finish to your face, you are going to hate this. However, I like that sparkly, damp skin look. Like, that is the road I'm starting to go down now. And ever since I got this, it has confirmed my beliefs that this is what I need on my face every single day. You shake it like mad, and it is just the most beautiful, tiniest little flecks of shimmery glitter. It's not glitter, it's like, I don't know what it is. It's just so beautiful. And the mister on this thing is like the finest. Like, you can't even feel it. It's so light. It's so easy to go overboard with it, but just be careful and you'll get there. I'm so gutted that I only got the travel size, because I thought, well, I'm trying it out for the first time. I don't want to get the massive bottle, which is like £22. But this 30ml was £9. Totally worth it. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this. And my final product for my January hits are these eyelashes. Okay, they're in a really cheap packet, but that's why I love them so much. These were about £3. Okay, it took about 3 weeks to get here as well, but these are the most beautiful, fluffy lashes. Like, I have them on today, I wear them all the time, I get so many compliments on them, but these are from Amazon. I have no idea of the brand, there's nothing on them, like, there's like a barcode with some Chinese writing on it, that's it. So I will put the link down below to these, but honestly, they're just fantastic. Like, look how big and fluffy they are, they're so thick. They're very long. Like, if I don't place them right, they'd like tickle my eyebrows, but I'm kind of okay with that. Alright, now we're gonna go on to my January misses. Oh, I feel really bad for doing this, but I'm quite an honest person, so okay, I can't believe I'm doing this, but so the other day I decided, oh, I'll need some new shampoo, and I decided to go ahead and buy the original Mane and Tail and Body shampoo for horses. I know, like, I'm fully aware how mental that sounds, but I have heard good things about this. I've heard that it really helps with thickening your hair, making it grow longer, faster, more shiny, yeah, all those kind of things. But then I actually did some research into it, and it turns out it's full of silicone, and that is not good for your hair. Like, it's okay for a quick fix, like, if you just need that little bit of extra shine, yeah, okay, go for it. But over time, silicone can build up on your hair and make it really dry and pull all the oils out of it, and eventually make it snap or force you to get a really big haircut because your ends will dry out so much. So I used this a couple of times and then found nothing special about it at all. Like, it didn't make my hair feel any more soft or glossy or anything like that. So this is going to have to be a pass for me, because I do not want to put anything like this on my already very damaged hair. See what I did there? Okay, the next thing on my miss list. I really, really wanted to love this. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I did a video, first impressions on it not so long ago. This is in the shade 01 Creamy Vanilla, and it is so orange on me. Like, I've tried maybe 2 or 3 times since that video to love it and use it, but I just find that it doesn't work on my skin at all. I found like it breaks up really quickly. Obviously it oxidizes. I look like my neck is some kind of like milk bottle with an orange on top of it. It's not good. I just find that I'm not reaching for this foundation at all. Like, it's very thick texture. You need a lot of it to make it, you know, cover your whole face. And I just don't think for £13–14 that it's worth the purchase, to be honest. Like, I'd rather get this, you know, Rimmel one, which I think you get the same amount, 30ml, yeah, for like £8, and it's absolutely flawless. I love this stuff, but this is just too chunky and cakey on your face. It feels like you've got so much makeup on, and I don't think the coverage is that great either, to be honest. So sorry Milani, it's a pass. Next thing is, I started off really liking this. This is the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. Now, I don't know if you know, but I've never really used a brow pomade before. I use powders on my eyebrows. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a go. And I really, really liked it to begin with. It's just like this quite thick, I think this is a shade Espresso, quite a thick sort of gel-like pomade. And I loved it. I was like, oh my God, why have I never used this before? It just went on so nicely. Like, you can get really sharp, defined brows. Like, I didn't need to sort of use concealer around the edges to clean up or anything. I loved it. But then the last few days, I picked up my makeup brush and my eyebrow brush, I should say, for using this. And it's gone really weird. Like, it's really dried and caked up. And I just thought, oh, for God's sake, you know, when you're using powder on your eyebrows and stuff, like, you really don't need to clean your brush that often because it's just your eyebrow. It's not like it's going on your pores or near your eyes or anything. You're not going to get loads of bacteria on it. So I'm just a little bit annoyed that this great product has sort of made life more difficult, that I'm now going to have to clean my brush more often. I know that sounds stupid, but I'm a really lazy girl and I can't be bothered cleaning my brushes every 2 to 3 days. Like, I'm really frustrated. I'm sort of torn with it, but I was in love with this thing and now I'm just annoyed at it. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's not really a miss, but it's kind of like a, oh man, sort of thing. But I just thought I'd put that in there. Like, if you like quick, convenient makeup like I do, maybe stick to the powder brows. All right, the final product, which is a miss, unfortunately. So disappointed. This is the Tartelette Toasted Palette. Now, I did a video on this. It was like first impressions, and I'm just so sad. Oh, look at these colours though. They are just so beautiful, but I cannot get over the fact of how crap the shimmers are in here. Like, I know I keep going on about it, but they are just horrendous. Like, they crumble, and I just hate it. I'm so gutted. Like, the only colours I really use in here are sort of these 3, and this cost me like, what, close to £50 with postage. What was I thinking? Like, I can't believe I've just dropped it. I'm kind of gutted. Please don't be smashed. Oh, look. Guess which one has slightly been damaged? This piece of crap down here. Honestly, just don't waste your money. Go and buy some single eyeshadows from somewhere. I don't know. I just really wanted to love it and I don't. And I'm so disappointed. I thought I'd be using it every single day and I am not. I'm trying to avoid using it because it annoys me so much. Ugh. Tarte. Damn you. Alright guys, that concludes my January hits and misses. I hope you've seen something useful in there. I hope I can help sort of, you know, give you my advice and opinions on products that I've used this month. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You know you want to. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!